Hi, I'm Camille from Roc Garage Doors. Established in 2002, Roc has grown to be the most trusted garage door company in the state, installing over 8,000 garage doors from our extensive range in the past 5 years. Roc's independence means we have the freedom to offer you the very best products for your needs, ensuring your home has the best appearance, safety and security. We won't sell products that don't meet our high standards, and we back up our doors with maintenance and repairs from our team of high quality installers and technicians, offering the very best in customer support even in cases of emergency. At Roc Garage Doors, we are so confident in the quality of our services that we have introduced a lifetime warranty on door and motor packages, providing you with peace of mind when making this decision. Roc is here for the long haul. We hope we can support you throughout the life of your garage door and beyond.